Kaspa. Looks like we hit our target here for this wedge. Okay, we got this over in Discord. We got this short. We got 3 of them that day. 3 really good ones. This one, Solana and XRP. All right, XRP actually went deeper than we were looking for. That wedge was actually a lot deeper, but man, I'm not going to complain about the 500% profits on that move, that's for sure. I know a lot of people made nice money on that one. And if you take a measurement on Kaspa, this wedge, all right, you take the width of your wedge for your target. If we take the width of this, move it over here, so the drop lines up pretty decent, right? I mean, pretty damn close. Let's put it right where it should be. Look at that. I mean, these usually work out every time. So we got our target for that. The question is Kaspa going to grab here, right? If we take a fib from the bottom, right down here to the top, we are right in that area, right? 702 came right down to that 786, right down to it, and we got to bounce off that. Okay, now as we zoom in on this, the question is, are we going to hold here and bounce, right through here? You're going to want to take your fib, and we are getting it very close to that zone where you're going to want to see this thing catch. Okay, I'd like to see it bounce off this 50% here and take off, but anywhere down through here would be nice. All right, what we don't want to see is another wave down here. All right, these 5 waves, these work out every single time. You know, you got right over here, you had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You know, and if you take your fib and look for a target on that thing, right over here, go from, not using that wick right there. This is some XC. We all know you can get some crazy wicks over there. Pull it up here. You know, there was your target at the 1618. These things always hit target, right? And over here, what I'm keeping a very close eye on, you know, what I'm wondering is, you know, do we have 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave down here? You know, maybe one more push, maybe. All right, because inside here, you know, inside you have smaller waves, inside bigger waves, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me show you something here, okay? If this one here ended up being a 5th wave down, all right, what would be the target for that, right? Right there would be 1108 roughly. Now if you come over here and take the target for this one, go from your bottom to your top. Pretty close to the same, huh? Look at that. Both of them 1108. Both of them line up. Now that's worst case scenario, right? We get a push down down here towards 11 cents. Now, what's going to tell that story for sure is if we grab in here, okay, you're not going to want to see a loss of that 786, or then I would be looking to short this thing, you know, down towards that 10.9, 11 cent area, all right, and it's getting right down in there. You're going to want to see a bounce right, you know, right where it's at now, right through, you know, right through this box, 12. You know, right through there. You're going to want to see this thing grab and go. As far as the RSIs go, the 4 hour is heading down. Okay, the 8 hour heading down. 12 hour, same thing, bearish. Okay, your daily, daily's also heading down. Okay, so we might. That's very possible we get this next push down here. Now we all know Bitcoin has a lot to do with that, right? If we come over here and take a look at Bitcoin, please hit that like and subscribe, guys. I'd appreciate that so much. I took a short on this thing earlier. You know, when it broke this support here yesterday, I put out a Bitcoin short in Discord. It's come back up to this crosshairs. That is very, you know, that happens a lot with shorts like this, right? You'll get, let me get my brush here, right? You'll get your break, This is typical short structure. You get your break, you'll get your run back up for a retest, and then a roll over. All right, like I was talking about them 5 waves down. Well, with Bitcoin, you could have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 wave down here. We'll see, right? Okay, that would mean pulling Kaspa down, pulling the rest of the market down, correct? 5th wave target for this, you're looking about 94,000 bucks. All right, so this is going to have a lot to do with Kaspa pulling down, correct? And if you want to learn these things, guys, come over and join our Discord. It's a level 3 membership. You get 10 hours of videos to teach you how to start using these tools, and you get a link to our Discord to come get these trades with us, man. I mean, we're doing very well over there with these shorts. Took a short on Fartcoin here. What a name, right? On this thing. As soon as it broke this support, and it also has another big support on my other chart coming up through here daily. Has a trend line coming up through here. Right there, you can see it broke, right? So we're shorting that thing. Come over and join us, man. You'd make huge money just on this one. There's big money to be made right now, but we're gonna have a alt season coming soon. I'm telling you. And I use Bitunix over here. They have a referral program. If you come over here and use my link, then if you have anybody use your link underneath you, you can get a little bit of a kickback there, which is pretty nice. I like this site. I don't get a lot of crazy wicks. I'll put a link in the description of the video if you want to come over. They have all kinds of welcome bonuses and campaigns that they run. Right now they're running. They have all kinds of these prize pulls. Claim a red envelope daily, Lunar New Year extravaganza. Like from the check this out. It's pretty cool. They have a lot of stuff over there where they think about you, the customer. These guys are going to end up big. Mine's only at 42. I've had money in here, so I think that's commission or something there that they're counting. I'm not real sure. But anyway, down here, they have a prize pull on Bitcoin on the 27th. If you have $5,000 in trading volume on futures, which that is nothing, man. I'm up to close to 7 million in about 2 months on this site. The 28th, they have a $10,000 prize pull with Ethereum. All you got to do is hit your $5,000, and then you get a chunk. You get a piece of the action on all of these. The 27th through the 3rd, they're running these with Trump, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, so that's pretty cool. During the event, you can share the daily token prize pool. Rewards are distributed based on users' trading volume proportions. Daily prize pools and tokens are as follows. Users who achieve a daily futures trading volume of 5,000 bucks, you get a piece of the prize here. So pretty nice. Claim snake year red envelopes. Then down here they have rewards. Join 3 daily token prize pools to receive an additional $5. Join 5 daily token prize pools. So if you have 5,000 bucks each one of these days, join all 8 and you get a $20 futures bonus. You have all kinds of stuff. A welcome bonus over here. I like it. I like this site. Right off the bat, you get 3 mystery boxes that have, these in them: futures bonus, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever's in their mystery boxes. The only one I haven't completed is the KYC. Then down here, newcomer tasks. You reach each one of these futures volumes, and you get tokens, or not tokens, coupons. Right here is 5,065,000. The only one I haven't got yet is this 200. I'm at just about 7 million in volume there. So they have some pretty cool stuff over there. And 7 million might sound like a lot. It's not. It's really not. You start trading futures. If you have $1,000 in your account, on a 10x, there's 10 grand right there, and it adds up very, very fast. So Bitunix, I'll put a link in the description of the video if you're interested in it. But sign up for that level 3 and come over here and sign up for this and come trade with us, guys. Now Kaspa, here, yeah, see it's starting to move now here. Keep a very close eye on this thing. What really makes me think it's probably maybe doing another wave down is when I put a fib on here, right, from right up here. It's on a 12-hour. You know, there's not even a run up to a 618. It gets to the 382, which is very, you know, usually 5 waves down with that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a possible one more push down here. All right, so keep an eye on that with Kaspa. All them RSIs heading, you know, to the downside. Looks like the 12's trying to turn up. Like I said, this box is going to tell everything. If it loses the 786, I'm short in Kaspa. You know, I probably should have done it now. But, you know, if it loses 12, send 11.9 down here, it's coming down. It's coming down to our target down here, right around 11 cents. And then it's probably going to get a massive bounce off that area. You know, you got very good support down here. If we come out in the daily. All right, and let's see here. Let's put a line on there, right around 11 cents, and see what it lines up with as far as any major areas. All right, put it on there. Daily. All right, we got some wicks down there. Out on a weekly. Close. They're just a little bit lower, like down here at about 10.8. Right around that 11 cent, right? You got closing candles over here. Let's open this up a little bit. Got all kinds of closing candles over here on the weekly. Right at 10.8, right around that 11, right? So very possible. We'll keep an eye on that. Like I said, that is what's going to tell all is that this box in here, you know, has to grab and hold in here in one of these areas. If it don't, look for that push down. Thank you so much, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. I'm a small channel, so everyone counts, and I love you. Thank you so much for watching my video. It means the world to me. Have a great day, everybody.